we go. This is a Kodaslide Stereo Viewer.
Can I see the video?
Of course. Made in Rochester, New York. And we're going to get it running again. And here's the light bulb. As it turns out, this thing is encased in rubber, and so I intended to hook up a grounded 3-prong plug, but I just decided to fix up some of the spots on the rubber that needed repair. So we're going to give this a try. Cleaned out the lenses and everything, so we'll give it a spin today. Okay, so this does more than just plug into the wall. Apparently, this thing comes out with a socket from these terminals. Isn't that neat, Lydia? Mm-hmm. That comes out. And then it says D cells. You could put batteries in, and if there were a light bulb there, you can run it off batteries, which is really cool. Okay, here we go. We have it set up on a tripod so the kids can look at the videos and appropriately strain relief this cable. This will be really cool. So more soon.
Oh my gosh. Now, ooh,
yeah. It's 3D, huh?
Those are cool.
What do you see, Lydia? Oh, here's the next one. Do the next one.
Can you tell me what kind of bear is this?
Well, that's a polar bear.
Yeah, that's a polar bear. That's
How
right.
did it get in?
What? They're 3D. Can you touch the people? Where are they? Point to them. No, outside the thing. Ah, they're over there. Cool.